isasama ko kayo sa baba, sa aming basement.
We got a mail from the Philippine consulate. It is pink. See that, guys? Happy 9 months, Isla! See, it's going on smoking.
Setting up Isla's appointment at the Philippine Embassy in New York.
Week 4. Ito talaga yung promise ko this year na I want to be active dito sa YouTube. And thank you so much guys for staying. Thank you so much for watching our weekly vlogs. I still can't believe na may mga tao pa palang magwa-watch ng aming long form videos. Kasi nga may mga short form videos na like Facebook Reels, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, diba? I am super grateful kasi sometimes, I feel like yung mga videos ko ay boring kasi nga, paulit-ulit na lang. And yet, you guys are still watching us. So, thank you so much. Anyway, I started the wash and then the dryer earlier. Ito nga, paulit-ulit kayong mga ginagawa ko kasi stay at home and that's the real life. Ngayon nga tulog pa si Isla. I'm just gonna separate this dried na clothes. Tapos, I washed the sheets earlier, so ilalagay na natin. Also, today, isasama ko kayo sa baba, sa aming basement. Kasi hindi ko pa kayo nadala doon. So, dadalhin ko kayo mamaya. Isi-separate ko lang ito, okay? She's crying na. Well, I'm just glad na nalagay ko siya for a little bit. Nahilak mo na. Ha? Ano nahilak mo ng baby? Ano to sa basement na? Let's show them. Let's show them the basement. Alam nyo ba, nung bago pa ako dito, takot ako sa basement. Kasi nga, sa mga movies, yung mga kababalaghan, doon talaga sa basement nangyayari. Nanonood kasi ako yung mga horror na mga movies. I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything. Nagpunta kami ng Home Depot nung Saturday, tapos nag-check lang kami kung anong kulay ng carpet yung i-change namin para dito. Tapos, nagkuha din ako ng mga yung mga color sample na kung anong kulay yung gusto ko na paint para sa walls and doors and everything. This basement, we want this na maging playroom siya ni Isla. And yeah, I just want it to be like colorful, happy colors, ganyan. Ito yung kinuha ko, pero this is not final ha. Ito. This kind of like aqua blue. Ito yung plano ko sa walls. And then I have 4 more colors here. I want different colors sa aming doors. I don't know anong kulay yung gagamitin ko sa mga doors. Pero ito yung pagpipilian ko. I think this door, ayoko siyang i-touch. Kasi ano siya, painted. And then ito, ayoko din siyang i-touch kasi, you know, cartoon walls yan. Malaki yung basement. So, that means malaki din yung babayadan namin. Today nga din pala guys, ay itatry kong mag-meal prep for this week sa mga pagkain ni Isla. Magsisteam lang ako ng ilang veggies, tapos, yan, ilalagay ko siya sa mga tiny, food containers. Kasi naubos na yung binili namin ni Eva na food pack for her. So, this time, ako na yung gagawa. Ilalagay ko lang muna siya dito, tapos bibigyan ko siya ng kanyang snack. Kukuha lang ako ng konti dito and then ipe-prep ko siya. I'm gonna boil this chicken. Lalagyan ko siya ng onions, garlic, ginger, mga ganyan. I'm not adding salt dito ha. Para lang talaga to sa Para broth lang talaga siya. Yesterday, plano ko na talaga mag-meal prep. Kaso na-busy kami kasi nagpunta kami sa pool. Ilagay lang siya lahat.
What's something I can do for you, darling? That would make you smile.
15 minutes yan. Update guys, I finished it. I'm gonna leave one sa fridge. Tapos, ang iba ay i-freeze ko. At least ba, if tamad akong magluto ng fresh food, at least meron akong makuha. So, that's good. I'm happy na na-finish ko siya.
Update, Evan arrived. We got a mail from the Philippine consulate.
So this should either be our report of marriage or our report of birth.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's like a certificate in there, or if it's just our documents, or a letter that we did something wrong.
Oh my
Just open it up.
I think we did something wrong.
That's it. And then, on the back.
Nothing.
Okay, let's see. I guess we're just sending back the documents then. Report of birth. Okay. They gave us a receipt, but there's no certificate in here.
So that's good. At least we know that they got it, they received it. If you got married here in the US and then gave birth, report the birth of your kid. So you will gonna have, or the baby will going to have another passport, second passport. Happy Tuesday! We're back here sa basement kasi we have something to fix sa other room.
Yes. I got a new light fixture I want to install real quick.
Yeah.
I was working on it on the weekend, but I need a second hand to hold something while I tie the wires together.
Let's see if this would work. Yay! Good job!
Better?
Bumalik na kami sa taas and we actually just spackle yung mga butas-butas sa baba from the nails. And ito, I just season itong nabili namin na steak. Hopefully, this week or following weeks, mag-visit yung mom ni Evan para magbantay kay Isla, para matulungan ko si Evan sa baba. I don't have food to.
What are you using?
This is not the right one.
Turn to winter snow, but I promise you.
Evan and I, we like our steak na medium. So, hindi siya gano ka well done. Hindi, yung sakto lang, yung may pink-pink pa din siya. But, nahihirapan talaga ako magluto ng steak pag ganito siya ka-steak. So, tingnan natin kung pink-pink pa din siya sa loob. So, I think this one is good. Hindi ako confident sa pagluto ng steak pag ganito siya ka-steak. Sweet
Wow,
potato.
look at that big sweet potato. Thank you.
And this is for me. Very nice. Hopefully, hindi siya rare, hindi siya well done.
Medium.
Hopefully, medium lang talaga. It is pink. See that, guys? Hindi siya makunat pag ganito eh. So, I like it like this. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, I thought medium ay rare pa siya.
Really good.
But when I came here, I never thought that I'm gonna love steak. I'm gonna love na siya, like medium.
Really good.
I made it perfect.
Yep.
I'm heating up the food that I made. Nung nag-meal prep ako. I'm trying to like half-half lang ng pagkain. So she can have the other half mamayang hapon for her dinner. This one, ito yung pinagboilan ko ng chicken. I saved the broth para pag Ininit ko siya. I don't have to put water. I'm gonna put the broth, diba? So, microwave lang natin siya for 30 seconds. Now that Isla's eating na ganito na talaga, minamash ko kasi I'm still afraid na maano siya, magag siya or ma-choke or I don't know. Kasi there's this one time na kumain siya and then she was gagging, she was turning red na. Nandito si Evan, like I called Evan but then when Evan came, na-spit niya yung yung malaking piece. Huy! Huy! Hoy! Ayaw niya kumain, guys. Wala lami. Hindi ka ganahan. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya sa food na ginawa ko. Maybe I'm gonna try to put egg. Tapos I'll give it to her. Ewan ko bakit ayaw niyang kumain. So, titingnan natin kung kakain siya nitong lalagyan ko ng egg.
Sure. Girl, my love is always yours. Some things change, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter.
Let's try this again. Yummy! Wow! Yum! Yay! She's eating na, guys. Lagyan lang pala ng itlog. Yun na yung gusto niya. Yummy! It is almost 2 p.m. na. And nag-aantay lang ako sa mother-in-law ko. Kasi pupunta siya dito para mabantayan si Isla. And I'm gonna use that time para malagay ko sa center yung mga gamit sa baba. Para ready na siya if mag-primer and mag-paint kami.
But I promise you for sure. Girl, my love is always yours.
Dumating na nga yung yung mom ni Evan and lumabas na sila ni Isla. And while they're walking, dito ako sa sa ating basement. Kasi there's a lot to do. I'm gonna put away itong mga frames. Ilalagay natin dito. And then, yeah. Let's use the time. Let's go.
Love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true.
Happy Thursday, everyone.
Still working on the basement.
Yeah.
Got lots to do. This is an old house, and the basement has old wood paneling on it. Part of the problem with this wood paneling is that it actually shrinks. So there's some gaps in the corners that I'm trying to work with and fill. That's going to be tough. And then just the paint's old, so I got cracks, which I'm trying to spackle some of the cracks in. Filled in some of the gaps. And we're going to paint the ceiling. I think we're going to paint the ceiling first.
And you can see it in my eyes.
Good morning, guys! It's finally Friday. And we have here itong waffle maker na nakita ko sa garahe. I think we bought this last year. Ito, gagamitin ko na siya. I-unbox natin. Ang plano ko kasi, gagawa ako ng waffle for Isla. So, ita-try natin to siya. I-test natin siya. I'm just gonna put you down there. Ayan. Oh, you're up. I think the other. Ala, oh. Saan eh? Uy!
I think the other day, I was so lost kung anong araw na talaga. Mamayang hapon, guys, 9-month immunization ni Isla. So, mayayay na siya. Kasi, injikan siya. I hope she's not gonna, be fussy after. Today din kami magbo-blow ng, yung cake niya. So, magbibake ako mamaya ng maliit lang na cupcake para makain niya after. Nagplano pa nga talaga ako na isi-send namin to siya sa Philippines. But, I think gagamitin ko siya para kay Isla. May mga different plates here. Ito, for egg. Halloween. Oh, we have Santa Claus for Christmas. This is so cute. Diba? Wala lang siyang indication kung luto na ba siya or ano. That's the problem. Tingnan niya. Kunin na natin siya.
These are tiny.
I know.
I didn't expect it to be that tiny.
Wow, she finished everything. Ooh. Very good.
My girl.
Yes. Update. Ella woke up from her nap and our appointment sa pediatrician ay what time?
1:30, 1 hour.
We will leave mga 1 p.m. She was sleeping on me. Ayaw niya magpalagay sa crib niya. Tingnan yung buhok niya, oh.
What you crying about, girl? Huh? All we did was take your weight. Change your diaper.
She's 27.2 inches, which is the 33rd percentile for her length. Her weight is 16 pounds, 6.09. That is the 20th.
It is 5 p.m. na and we're gonna go up kasi pupunta kami sa service. And before that, magbublow lang kami ng 9-month ni Isla, cupcake or cake. This one, I made this earlier. Hindi ko na siya sinali sa video ko kasi same lang naman yung last time na naggawa ako. So, yan. Anyway, magbe-video lang kami. Happy 9 months, Isla! Yay! Yay!
It's Saturday. I'm in my paint attire. I'm still working on the basement. We got some mail.
We got this from the mail yesterday
Google AdSense.
and we wanted to open it.
Yeah.
So what is this, love?
Hopefully this will be your pin so that you can be monetized on YouTube. They sent us a pin. You did all the stuff you needed to do. Got the watch hours. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully now we can start earning. Do some
We're
more
gonna-
fun things.
We're gonna do some giveaways!
We're still working on getting monetized on all of our other platforms, but this is the start. YouTube.
I think YouTube is the one social media that it's so difficult to get monetized because you have
Well,
to.
what I like about YouTube is they have requirements, and if you do them, you get monetized.
Yeah,
But
unlike Facebook,
it's
guys.
like you do all these things, and then they're like, well, the AI has to select you, and you kind of have to get lucky. So that's kind of disappointing.
Honestly, our Facebook page, it's not monetized at all.
No.
Even before we're not monetized yet, we still
We
do the
give
giveaway.
give away our sponsorship money.
Yeah, how much more if if
Hopefully.
we're gonna be monetized and everything. Please subscribe, follow, whatever, watch the video, the whole video.
And
Don't skip the ads.
and tell us what you want to say. I always ask. I think we should do some more like Q&As with like how life is different, how you adapted to America. Talk more about our LDR stuff.
Yeah.
But for right now, you're just seeing the life we have, the
Yeah.
life we're trying to make.
Love is always yours. Something's changed, baby. This I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you.
Yeah, it's verified now. So we'll see what's next, diba? I-update namin kayo about this YouTube monetization. This now because I'm making ice cream.
Wait, I'm gonna lagi.
Ow.
What happened? Smells like what? Fire?
Yeah, I saw it. It was red.
Yeah.
It is. Oh my gosh. It's broken. Wait,
This should probably be under warranty.
I can't get it.
What happened?
See, it's going on smoking.
Take a video. Hold on.
Crazy that I caught it on video.
Oh, the smoke doesn't come. I can see the smoke.
Good morning, guys.
We are setting up Isla's appointment at the Philippine Embassy in New York to get her passport.
Philippine passport.
Yeah. We reported her birth, and now I guess she's officially a Filipino citizen.
Mm-hmm.
So now we got to get her a passport.
Yes.
Maybe in the future, you guys can go to the Philippines. You can stay longer than 30 days.
Yeah.
Me, as an American citizen, can only stay up to 30 days
Yeah.
without having to get a visa. But you two can stay longer.
We finished booking the appointment and then we're just heading to to get some free stuff sa grocery.
And then we still have this problem. We can. The ice cream is already melted.
Yeah, just leave it for now, though. I'll try to maybe get it returned. We'll see. Because we don't know the order number or anything because it was given to us as a gift. But I'll reach out. We'll see.
Scan coupon now. Insert.
Wow. Get everything. Alright, we're home, guys. We got our groceries. And yeah, I think that's it for this week.
That's it.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we'll see you in the next. Bye!
Girl, my love is always yours.